This is GCSE Further Mech. We're looking at mechanics, and we've been doing constant acceleration, U-vast equations, and we're now going to look at vertical motion under gravity. So gravitational accelerations is denoted by the letter G. The value of G varies with latitude, but it is assumed to be 9.8. In Further Mech, we round to 10. Since gravity is directed downwards, gravitational acceleration is written then as A equals minus 10. So a sandbag is dropped from a cliff and observed to hit the ground 3 seconds later. Find the speed with which the sandbag hits the ground and the height of the cliff. I tend to pick the direction it's going as my direction. You need to pick a direction to be positive and stick with it. And I do a big arrow so I know which way I've picked to be positive. U, V, A, S and T. And remember, we're picking downwards to be positive. It is dropped from its cliff. That means U is 0. V is one of the things we've been asked to work out. Acceleration, then we know, is going to be 10. S we're trying to work out, and we know time then is 3. So V equals U plus AT. V equals 0 plus 10 times 3. V is 30 meters per second. Therefore, the speed 30 meters per second downwards. Find also the height of the cliff. So here I'm going to use S equals UT plus a half AT squared. S we're trying to work out. U is 0, so 0 upon 3 plus a half of 10 upon 3 squared. Half of 10 is 5. 3 squared is 9. And so S then is 45 meters. Therefore, height of cliff equals 45 meters. Just for this example, I'm actually going to do it where we pick upwards to be positive. As long as you're consistent, the answers should come out to be the same. So let's do the question again. Just for this example, I won't be doing this for too many. U, V, A, S and T. U is 0, V we don't know. A is going to tend downwards, so that means it's going to be minus 10 upwards. S we don't know, and time is still 3. V equals U plus AT. V equals 0 plus minus 10 upon 3. V is minus 30 meters per second, and that's of course minus 30 upwards. So therefore my speed is equal to 30 meters per second downwards. Similarly, S equals UT plus a half AT squared. S is 0 upon 3 plus a half upon minus 10, 3 squared. S equals, that's just a 0, minus 5 times 9. S is minus 45 meters. So that's a displacement of minus 45 meters upwards from the top of the cliff. Height of cliff is equal to 45 meters. That will be positive because it's down.